Although Asus was extremely devoted to AMD for their gaming lineup this year, it still seems to have a place for Intel in its heart. This is how the Tuf F15 was born. It employs a 35W Tiger Lake CPU, inside of a very well-built chassis. This laptop's lid is made out of metal, while the rest is plastic. However, this doesn't prevent it from being only 19.9 mm thin and weighing only 2 kilos, while being quite resilient at the same time. This is proven by the military STD810H approved design. Also, one of its key features is the keyboard. Even though it lacks a number pad section, its gamer-centric layout in combination with the clicky feedback results in a comfortable experience during gameplay. Right now, there is one big advantage of Intel over AMD: the support of Thunderbolt 4 connection. In fact, the device can be charged via this connector with the optional 100 watts USB Type-C charger. Besides this port, you get 3 USB Type-A 3.2 Generation 1 ports, an HDMI 2.0B connector, an RJ45, an audio jack, and a barrel-style power plug. Although some of the memory here is soldered to the motherboard, you still get one SODIMM slot for further expansion. Thankfully, the situation on the storage front seems brighter, as there are two M.2 PCIe X4 slots. Asus offers the Tuf F15 with 3 display options. Two 1080p panels with a 144Hz and 240Hz refresh rate, respectively, as well as a 1440p unit with a 165Hz refresh rate. All of them are based on IPS technology. We've decided to test the base option. It has comfortable viewing angles and a good contrast ratio of 1400 to 1. Unfortunately, the color coverage isn't terrific, and the pixel response times are a bit slow. On the bright side, though, the panel is pretty safe for long periods of use as it doesn't use PWM for brightness adjustment. By the way, if you opt for the 240Hz panel, you will get fast pixel response times and adaptive sync, which makes the display easy on the battery. Not only that, but this panel covers 100% of the sRGB gamut, which results in a rich and vivid picture. Undoubtedly, the specs sheet here reveals the balance between energy efficiency and performance, as the top-tier option includes the Core i7-11375H, and the 85 watts RTX 3070. Apparently, this allows the cooling tons of breathing space, which results in adequate temperatures. The processor even manages to maintain about 4 GHz sustain. Also, if you get the RTX 3070 model, you can play games like The Witcher 3 at around 100 FPS with ultra settings.
Looks like this will be a cool breeze.
Even Cyberpunk 2077 runs smoothly with 60 FPS at 1080p and max settings.
Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out.
In conclusion, the Tuf F15 is a thin and light notebook that should satisfy both gamers and people that need a powerful computer on the go. Its super long battery life allows you to take the device anywhere with you, while the gaming capabilities of the energy-efficient hardware are awe-inspiring.